Good day, subscriber. I'm Sean. This is a fix my channel. So today I want to show you how you can remove your toilet, replace the wax, and reinstall the toilet again. So to start, first you have to shut the valve off, empty your tank. So already I emptied. Make sure you don't have water. And so you have two nuts, one here, one is the other side. So because normally those nuts is gonna be rusty, so use that spray blaster and put it on the screw. That yellow stuff you see is that one. So set it for 5 minutes. After that you can remove the nut very easy. So take off the nut from here. It's going to the tank, and we're gonna cut that caulking around this toilet with the utility knife, and we can remove the toilet. As you see, there is no wax left over. So we're gonna replace the wax. We're gonna clean the area, replace the wax, and I'll show you how to put the toilet back. I also installed the vinyl on my bathroom. If you're interested to learn how to do it, so wait until the end of the video. I'm gonna put the link. You can check that out too. So the wax in the toilet is ready. Everything is ready. So I bought this product. It's the wax. I bought it in Home Depot. It's come with the screw. So I'm gonna put this wax and the screw here and show you. Okay, this was inside the bag. As you see, the wax has damage, but it's still working. So it has a two screw. You put your screw here in the end, and you just slide it here and just turn it. The same thing is in the other side. I slide it all like that. So you have to put this plastic cover on the top to hold the screw in the same place. So make sure this two screw is straight. And so I put the wax here. I'm gonna bring the toilet and just put on the two screw. 7/16. Use the 7/16. So I opened the valve. Now the tank getting full. So after that I'm gonna try it so if there's any leak around the toilet, then I flush it. Okay, ready? As you see, there is no leak around the toilet. So light is good. And thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe my channel. I will show you how to fix a problem around your home or remodel your own home. So have a great day.